Hello student, I am Dr. Nehagar from Commerce Department of GSPG College Sikandrabad. Due to coronavirus, I am taking online classes. Today our subject is Operation Research. As we have already discussed in last classes about transportation problem. In transportation problem, there are three methods to solve the transportation problem. First one is northwest corner method. Today in class, we are discuss about northwest corner method. This is the question of northwest corner method. In this method, there are three factories and four markets. Each factory has supply and each market has some demand. First of all, we have to see that total of demand of all markets and total of supply of three factories should be equal. If there is difference in the total, we should have to create a dummy table. Student, as you can see, I have prepared already table. In this table, 18, 11, 15, 20, 17, 14, 12, 13, 18, 18, 15, 12. Each represent the cost of each cell. Just like this cell is represented by X A cell. ठीक है, इसी तरह we can say this is XB cell. 11 is represent the cost of XB cell. Now student, we solve the problem. We again make the table. In this table, we represent the cost of each cell in this corner. In northwest corner method, we start from the upper left hand corner. Left hand corner, in this we can see factory X has 8 quantity to supply and demand of this cell, this market is 12. We have to fulfill the demand of market A by the supply of factory X. Factory X has only 8 quantity and demand of market A is 12. We can give this cell only 8 quantity. As we know the requirement of this market A is 12. We can only fulfill the demand of X cell by 8 quantity because factory X has only 8 quantity to supply. Now we cross the factory X because its supply has been finished. Now we come to the next row from the left hand corner. This factory Y has total supply 24 and its demand remain 4. 12 minus 8 equal to 4. Now we can give to this cell only 4 quantity. Now the requirement of this market A has been fulfilled and supply of X factory has been finished. Just like this. X in X A cell, transportation cost is 18 multiply 8. In Y A cell, transportation cost is 17 multiply 4. In Y B cell, transportation cost equal to 14 multiply 12. In YC cell, transportation cost is equal to 12 multiply 8. ZC cell transportation cost is 15 multiply 8, and in last ZD cell transportation cost is 12 into 20, that is 144. 17 into 4, that is 68. 14 multiplied 12, that is 168. 12 into 8 equal to 96. 15 into 8 equal to 120, and 12 into 20 equal to 240. Total of all of these equal to 836. Total, that is our total transportation cost. Student, this is the method to solve north-west corner method in transportation problem. I hope you all understand to solve the problem. If there is any query, you can ask in comment box. Thank you for the class.